Welcome to applying for CalFresh at UC San Diego. This video will guide you through the CalFresh application process, making it easy for you to apply for benefits. What is CalFresh? CalFresh is a food assistance program that helps students and other eligible individuals buy groceries. Based on a UC-wide study, around half of students experience food insecurity. CalFresh provides significant support with over 60% of enrolled students receiving more than $200 a month, and you can get up to $292 a month. Are you eligible for CalFresh? To be eligible, you must meet the general CalFresh criteria, which includes being a U.S. citizen, legal resident, or non-citizen with certain immigration statuses. Mixed status households are eligible, and CalFresh is not considered a public charge. You must be a resident of the county you're applying in and have an income below $2,150 for a household of one. Students must also qualify under specific exemptions. To qualify, a student must meet one of the exemptions, such as working 20 hours a week, having a work-study award, being enrolled in an LPI program, receiving Cal Grant A or B, or meeting another requirement. A full list of the qualifying factors are available at basicneeds.ucsd.edu. What documents do you need? Now we will talk about the necessary documents to apply. You will need financial aid award, class schedule, proof of address such as a bank statement, lease, or utilities bill, student ID, and it's highly recommended to have the sworn statement, which has a template available on UC San Diego's Hub Basic Needs website. Depending on your situation, you may also need pay stubs if employed, LPIE statements if in a department that is LPIE approved, and enrollment verification letter from the registrar. It's recommended to submit proof of expenses such as your lease, utilities, or phone bills to lower your gross income and maximize your potential CalFresh benefits. A separate video to show how to get these documents will be made. How to apply on benefitscal.com. Now we will give you a step-by-step guide on how to apply from the website available in the bio of this video. From the homepage, select Apply for Benefits. Then review the overview of the application process and required documents. Then select your county and click Begin. The next page provides helpful tips for your application. You do not need to create an account to apply, but an account helps track your application status. The application summary screen shows each section and status. Click Your Information to begin. Select Language Preference, then click Next. Answer the questions on screen in the provided boxes. Check the box for each program you're applying for. Click Not Sure What to Choose for more info. Continue answering questions about your household, income, expenses, and assets. Uploading required documents. We recommend uploading all required documents before submitting. The more information provided, the faster your application will be processed. After uploading the required documents, click Next to continue. After reviewing a quick summary of the application details and answering a few questions, setting an appointment for an interview with CalFresh applicants is required. Select a preference, then click Next. Submitting your application. Now it's time to sign and submit the application. Enter your name, the date, and check the required boxes. Then click Submit Signature. After a final summary of the application, click Submit Application to finish. Resources at the Hub. For further assistance, contact the Hub Basic Needs Center on campus. If you need any help, be sure to check out the Hub Basic Needs Center on campus near the Old Student Center. The Hub does virtual and in-person appointments as well as walk-in support. Also, appointments are available with a county worker. Congratulations on completing your CalFresh application. For more information on your application, you can contact the San Diego County at sandiegocounty.gov and at 877-847-3663. Save the confirmation receipt through text, email, or download.